Hey guys, so this is our Moen faucet. This is in our bathroom, and this was actually very easy to put together to install. We bought our bathroom vanity, and then after buying the bathroom vanity, we actually decided to go ahead and upgrade our faucet. And we've had this one for going on 3 years now. As you can tell, it doesn't have any major stains or scratches or anything like that. We've got 2 teenage boys, so you would think that it would at least have a little bit more damage, but it doesn't. Couple of things that I really like about this is that the handles go ahead and they move forward, which is really nice because it looks like it's all one piece here, but there's actually kind of a ring here on the bottom that you can't really see. Second thing I want to say is that these are actually flush with the countertop. So I really, really love the fact that there's not any water that gets underneath any of these 3, which is really nice because then you don't have kind of that gunk that's sitting underneath your faucet. It does have the pull for you to be able to go ahead and stop it off for you're needing to fill your sink full of water if you're shaving and that sort of thing. Goes down nicely. It's very, like, again, it was super easy to install. Brushed nickel, which is easy to clean and doesn't have any stains or anything like that. Let's see what else. Again, I've had it for 3 years and with boys and not have any issues with it. The only thing I would say is just be very, very careful that when you're purchasing something that it actually has an arm long enough that's going to go into your sink. When we bought this, we didn't realize that it was going to be as short, and so you can tell that it just kind of goes right at the edge of the sink there. It's enough for us to wash our hands, but as we're washing, our water tends to kind of fill up in this spot here. So just something to look actually look for when you are purchasing one. But super happy with this Moen. I've never been disappointed by their products at all. Highly recommend.